Hello everyone, it's Julie Charette Nunn, Crow's daughter here, and I'm out here and looking at our thistle forest. There's this patch of thistle that we allow to grow to fruition here, and we utilize it. I gather the flowers and we trim off the little purple petals for salad, and we also make vinegar with the thistle flowers, and it's quite delightful and sweet and it's mineral rich. And right now the buttercup is blooming, and I want to tell you a story about the buttercup. About 5 years ago, I was weeding the buttercup from underneath the raspberry patch and was pretty frustrated with all the buttercup, as the buttercup roots will just grab on like little fingers onto the earth, and it's quite tenacious. And I was frustrated and was like, why is there so much buttercup here? And it dawned on me that I could participate in something that I teach others to do here. I could teach what, let's see, as the saying goes, we teach what we most need to learn. And so I allowed myself to breathe with the buttercup for 7 breaths, and to breathe out as a giveaway to the buttercup, and ask the buttercup what it had for me. And the buttercup told me that it brings compassion to the garden and the land, and that because there's a lot of teaching that goes on here, and a lot of people are coming here to connect with the plants and to receive the wisdom of the plants, that a lot of compassion was needed. And actually, that if I weeded the buttercup out, the compassion would remain. And so I developed a much deeper and more appreciative relationship with buttercup. After that, I'm just showing you some of the places where the buttercup is growing all over. And what this reminded me of, this teaching from Buttercup, was a story from my childhood, and how we used to pick the flowers and put them under our chins to see if we like butter. And because of the yellow of the buttercup flower, that the buttercup flower absorbs a lot of energy from the sun, and the sun is reflected from the buttercup flower onto our chins and makes this bright yellow light. So there's some kind of lesson in this for me, is that when I think something is not going well, when I think something is really frustrating, and I'm just not sure what to make of it and how to work with it, that there's some wisdom underneath that. And if I can search for that, if I can be present to what that wisdom is, I will change my perspective. And so I leave you with that today, and I offer you wellness and a blessing of wholeness today, and I'll see you next time.